What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Back in the day, Shinola shoe polish used to cover your shoes. What does Shinola cover these days? Well, the answer is a lot of other things, including their own notebook. So I picked this up. This is actually a Bourbon. Oh, man, that gets me thirsty. A large journal cover. As you can see here, it's not the cheapest thing. They're not giving them away, that's for sure. So I'm just going to take this sucker out. And as you might be able to see here, we have a nice little kind of linen bag. Comes right there, Shinola. And it is like a little drawstring. But in it, I don't really need the bag as much as I need the journal cover. We have this beautiful leather cover. Soft. It's almost like a saddle bag or a messenger bag, but just gorgeous. Man, it smells unbelievable. Look at that leather. It's got a little bit of a brownish orange tinge to it, and that's what I liked. It says Bourbon, but I think you could also say cognac or something like that. Shinola branded, like with heat right down there and pressure. You can see here a painted edge, kind of like the watch bands. And the paint is a really good match. And then we have a snap finish here, and as you can see, it says Shinola right there. And this is all really thick. Not only is the buckle here thick, but as you can see, the way the leather is, probably a couple millimeters thick, but where it's folded over, where you have extra leather for the different pockets, it gets really, really thick. But that is by no means an indication of how stiff it is, just soft and supple. All right, so if we flip this sucker open just like this, you can see that unfinished suede-like interior here. Golly, this thing smells good. And you have a nice big pocket on this side. And then on this side, you also have a nice big pocket all the way down here. Built in the United States, again, branded there with the serial number. And then you have a little pocket here. I would use this for business cards. And then you have little pockets up here, IDs, credit cards, all that kind of stuff. More business cards if you need it. Oh, we have a little Shinola card right there. Where American is made. I love it, Detroit. I actually don't need that in there. Now, you might be saying, Pete, you're showing me the cover, but what goes in here? Well, this one is the large one. They do come into some other sizes. Oh, I should show you here a pen loop right there. They do come in some other sizes, and they are basically meant to fit the Shinola journals. And I do have a Shinola journal here. You can check out my other video for kind of an in-depth look at this. And this is the large one, so I'm going to put it in here, but I'm also going to say that, you don't need to get it this big. I wouldn't say this is too big. This is probably exactly the size I want. I also do want to say here, though, I have seen and heard that the Shinola journals are kind of their own size. So this cover may or may not work with like some of the other moleskin journals, but I don't know. I don't exactly know what the dimensions that Shinola goes by. And I'm gonna fold this all the way back because it's the hard cover to get it onto the flap here. But the beauty of it is that it's gonna work perfectly with their stuff. So there, got it in there. Man, look at that. Bootyful. Got the little magnetic button right there. Put that on there. Dying. That looks good, man. Right? You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Open this sucker up. Got my journal. Take some notes. This one's a ruled. I'm definitely using this for work. It has a bookmark right there. Holy smokes, I really like it. It looks and feels premium like every Shinola lifestyle product that we've ever checked out here, but I'll tell you what is not coming across on the screen is how great this thing smells. I could just breathe this in all day. Crazy. Bourbon? Yes, please. Check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description. Get them in different sizes. Work in style. Take notes in style. Peter Von Panda. Out!